Punok.
Hindi punok at nag-evolve gamin. Hindi kat tag-offer lang ako. Kaslaka nga. Kaslaka na adu-adu ti parade na napangkakat nagguyod kayo no naabak. Awanin, agawid pa yun. Parang when eventually when more and more people are coming, they were looking for, hey, let's have visitors versus visitors. Oh yeah, next time we'll be having Japanese versus Americans. Even, yeah. So, we're looking at it as evolving. Now, kasi ngayon meron ng pa-contest ng pinakamagandang pack kid. This is pork kid. Oops. Ganyan na.
Okay.
That's 3 years. We have been collecting 3 years only. Sana we should have collected since we started doing that.
Yes.
Hindi kapunaan in Sardang katag ituloy din at ne from Hapao in nunigutunan hudul di Sardang at ne itutuloy di manit pun ang dugan tingganan di manon ni Kiangan tamun laon. At di mohiti na puan ng hudul mo in Sardang de wada de nate.
So,
yan na nangil sa dayangan ta.
So nang dumupag, ya talagang adida mo munhudhud.
Oh.
Wala ipod din rugih na wala natin.
Waday nate.
So ingana duwa niya may munhudhud mo.
May mo. Muwadanan udong.
Oo.
Ini Kiangan, and then yung ngayon, munhud-hud na kay
Ngan hito na napuana.
Ay, ito'y nalpuana.
Teng anu nganu te nunan anak putu ya imada pa nan naka-harvest. At na kot ayo atang itu turuyu. Tutuyu pa body. Insadang dah tutuyu nan taga Hungduan ingana ni umi Kiangan.
Parang nagamin di hinayan hon bantay. Ya, handi kanuya kay hitue di nun puunana.
So that shows that they are very brave if they will carry stone. They will bring
From the river?
Yeah.
That shows
Was one of the best wood carver during his time. And they said that if only the person did not go crazy, maybe he is one of the richest person this time.
Hindi na boyag yan. Kalagan lead katulong ay aduan yung ay pulisan duan yung waday makinat kanya ng rotor. Kasi siya waday katulong ang buhamon. Kaya kita ya kalagan pakali amin niya manually body yung nanway August ang buhamon after harvest. Hindi tamu-tamu sino kayo yakabwa at isa duan ni wada niya di rotor wada di kulinan si adi tabuanahan mapupuli ang imong hamon
Mali nung interview. Salamat na huway time mo. O yun ang sharing na namin nan sharing na inilam mo yun na experience mo.
Hapao ba ang bukod party Hungduan handi te party Banaue. So nga within 1994 bilang i-declare na nga ay siminaan ni Banaue nga nitum kami ni Hungduan.
Ay na may spray? Nga hindi may spray ko ma? Nga
non-power.
Ay,
may
never. Herbicide. Wadahan di wada din nun usarakan di insecticide din nun tanong kami hi lowland rice o nun usar kami at hidi insarden ko nung hindi, ikuak nga kasla comparative study mo. Oh. Kaya insarden ko diyan nandin Lolan Rice, at isukat ko manimbo na native, tapno kasla mong comparative study yak.
But you see, adwa niya, manungarod, te mostly medyo kurang di manpower. Tinos nanten young people nanten, adwa ning bakasyon. They are interested of outings, picnics, then gathering themselves, nawaday way okasyon ang kinaliday. But markas to te wastu di good food hito on the medahan di. Di nan matadwa ni. Iso nga nan let's say nan the way how they padwa niya medyo na idumahan di.
Really talked about the theme last night, but after you listen to your performance, you might change, or you may be able to you might be able to make your theme more concrete.
Sing ibulat mo? Sing.
Oh, may problem.
Ang problem yan.
Undupagan is the rice field itself, wherein it's not actually the widest. They do not actually own the widest in the community. It's just that somehow when it was given to them as the first to operate the field, before the others would follow, operating or tilling their own field, somehow the result is there is vast harvest, there is bountiful harvest. And so somehow that is the reason why.
To prove this, of course, remember that farming here is for 1 year. And then, he give time. Of course, there are a lot of tour guide. But when he have time, only that he has tour guide or someone called him. But his main passion really is farming. So, yun. And this is now the most awaited part of our report. So
we plant or we bring the kiwi to our field because ang pagkakaalam nila is makakatulong sa kanila yung kiwi, but in the end nakakadagdag pala ng problema sa kanilang farm or sa field. Diminishing of manpower. Because, sabi niya, nawawala na yung manpower. It is because mas gusto na ng iba, hindi na sila makakatrabaho nang wala ng money.
pumasok sa butas. Pero nung tumatagal, halos sa loob ng mina, 2 oras na ako dun. Sa habang 30 meters at sa taas na 7 feet. Pag masama naman ang panahon, hindi kami pumapasok para sa kaligtasan namin.
Minas ay panubuglaan,
pag nasa loob,
Minas ay panubuglaan, Minas ay panubuglaan, inawat ang kabunyan. Da kami ay humila, nakaanap si Ugla, din udong nakakiskwil.